Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account from the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open on the Canva app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we have to go into the top left corner and then tap on settings. Then we have to tap on login and security, and then at the very bottom we find delete account. If we tap on this, then our account is going to be deleted, including our projects and everything that was linked to it. We have to be very careful and thought through when we decide to delete our account, because it's pretty much just done. You can't return. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.